What'd you have, Levi?
My monster truck.
What's that monster truck's name?
I know, King Crunch.
King Crunch. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Hey guys, we are about to head into Trader Joe's for our monthly Trader Joe's haul.
And is this tables here?
Tables?
Yeah.
Like to eat at?
Yeah.
He thinks it's a restaurant.
No, it's Trader Joe's. It's a grocery store. I don't even have a list today. I'm just going in and picking up all of the regular things that we like to stock up on from Trader Joe's. And then of course we always like to look at the new stuff. So we will bring you along and show you what we find. Are you ready to go in?
Yeah.
I've got Levi as a helper and Talia as a helper today.
Mom, it may have some tables in here.
I don't think they have tables to sit in here. Here, let's just grab a cart here. We got all of our bags. Do you want to sit in the cart or do you want to walk? You do? All right.
Can I sit in the door?
Sure. Wow. Talia's so strong.
Yeah, you do.
Maybe cold on it.
It is. Look at all the pretty spring flowers.
These little succulents.
And the succulents are so cute. Oh, you want some bananas? Oh, look at these. Tell you can see the bulbs. That's so cool. These are so unique.
Pretty.
Oh, tiny little daffodils. Oh, those are waxed. That's interesting. Hey, we'll get some bananas. We're looking at the flowers first. They're so beautiful. Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, I want these bananas over there.
And there's bananas.
Yay, somebody put bananas here for me.
They did it just for you?
Yeah.
You want to grab a bunch?
I'll grab a bunch.
A bunch.
Yeah,
Just
ripe one.
yeah, that works.
A good ripe one just for you.
Oh, look at these, Tal.
Ooh.
That's rosemary. That's cool.
Good on
On a ring, yeah. It's a trailing rosemary. We have some of that in our front yard.
This is yellow apples.
Yellow apples.
Ooh, they're berries.
Can we get some berries?
No, we have some at home.
But we don't have any more.
Yes, we do. I just said we did.
More berries?
Yeah. Did you want some oranges too?
Yeah.
There's not going to be room for you in this cart here in a second.
Yeah.
It's getting filled up fast, man.
Can we get some gummies?
I don't think we're going to get any gummies today.
I like butterflies.
Oh, I see. Spring gummies. Is that a
Or flowers.
Easter thing?
Yeah, flower. Oh yeah,
That
it's
looks
like
yummy.
a tulip. I don't know what.
Have some of those.
No, we're not going to get those.
Let me have yogurt.
Spring tangle.
Yum.
Yogurt?
Yeah.
We have lots of yogurt at
No,
home.
I'm gonna need some.
Is that what you want for your treat?
Yeah.
Is it yogurt?
Yeah.
What flavor do you like?
Maybe. Banana.
Is there a banana flavor one?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, up here? Those aren't bananas, that's vanilla.
There's apricot. Apricot mango.
Maybe there's pineapple up there. Pineapple.
This is guava and this is strawberry vanilla.
And this one's mango.
Strawberry vanilla?
Let's have
Oh,
some
well.
mango.
This one's mango.
Okay, apricot mango.
Okay. Apricot mango. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
All right, let's check out. Oh, I saw these before. Little packets of marinated artichokes. Those look really good. Let's see. Vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, lime juice. Not terrible ingredients. I might get a couple of these to try later.
Mom, you see those funny,
Yeah, the funny pasta.
yeah.
Those are so funny.
Yeah, they're like letters.
They do look like letters.
Yeah, they are.
Retinol night serum. Medium roast coffee, Kenya.
They are letters.
Chocolate oat bars. What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, oat chocolate bars, not chocolate oat bars. So it's chocolate, but it's made with oat milk instead of Milk.
Oh, I saw it. I thought it was a
Interesting.
D. Dat chocolate milk bars.
Ground oats. That's interesting. It's dairy-free. Oh, look at this. Gonna have lots of sugar in it, but looks yummy.
They look really good.
Corn and rice snacks, yeah. Peanut butter cookies, some kind of a new bar. Oh, it is lower sugar. It has sugar alcohols in it. Yeah, it looks like it. Ooh. Hydrolyzed collagen is the first ingredient. That's interesting. It does have maltitol in it, though. Maltitol syrup, whey. Well, lower sugar, I guess. It says 1 gram of sugar, 3 net carbs. There's a salted caramel. Okay, hey, that's a little too loud for the store. Shh. Oh, this looks yummy too. Ranch seasoning blend. Those are the ingredients. But I have the ranch seasoning from Pork King Good. That's amazing. And so we don't need this. And some beer.
Because it has
All right, so Levi, what is that? What did you guys find?
the animal.
Is it up there?
Yeah.
Oh, what's its name? Raja. And if you find it, what do you get?
A little treat.
Some kind of a prize.
Yeah.
They used to do little toys or
Lollipops.
but then they were just doing stickers for a while. So we'll see what they have when we tell them we found it. We'll get these for Renee. She is our crazy one that loves seaweed. And it's kind of funny. When I was pregnant with her, I craved seaweed and I ate packets and packets of this stuff. And then, I know you don't, but now she is the only one that just absolutely loves it. So crazy.
Levi.
I think we have enough cheese at home. No, we have cheese at home that's like that. All right, any other spices that we desperately need? I got on everything but the bagel at Costco. That all looks like we don't need it. What'd you find?
I found this.
Blueberry muffins, they probably have eggs.
Let's see.
I think
Let's see if they have it.
I'm good on everything else. Onion, salt, I still have. I might get one just to be safe.
And should I do one of these?
No, I don't need thyme. We have some of that at home already.
There was no eggs.
Well, when you make it, you add eggs. It's a mix. Yeah. We don't need it. All kinds of Easter candy and goodies. Guess we don't need anything like that, do we, Levi? Do you need anything like that?
There's Dad's favorite gummy.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know either. This looks good.
Mom, can we get one of these?
Everything but the bagel, Greek yogurt dip.
Mom, we don't have one of these. Can we get one?
It's like a dip.
Yeah, a dip.
Or yogurt.
It's a dip made out of yogurt. No, we're not going to get those today.
But we don't have any.
Yeah, we don't need any. That's the thing.
But I'm so
Just because we don't have any doesn't mean we need any. Still never tried these. People say they're good. Cauliflower eggs, Parmesan. That's about it. Oh, and they have the big ones too. Same basic ingredients. These are the new egg wraps that they just came out with. And the ingredients, not ideal for me. Let's see, how many carbs? There's 2 carbs in 1 serving. Less than 1 in 1 wrap. 2 wraps per serving. But it's got gluten-free flour blend, brown rice, sorghum, xanthan gum, potato starch, tapioca starch, And then of course they also have the Parmesan wraps. Did you get your prize for finding the stuffed animal?
Yeah.
Yeah, lollipop?
Yeah.
And they gave you stickers.
Yeah.
St. Patrick's Day stickers. They're still going on those. So cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What flavor did you get?
Raspberry?
Raspberry?
Yep.
Nice. We'll do a quick back of the car grocery haul for you today. We got out of Trader Joe's for pretty cheap. That's pretty unusual, but we got a few things. Got some banana chips and some cashews for the kids' trail mixes. And then of course, Levi had to get some bananas. Got some corn tortillas for the kids for making quesadillas and such. I always stock up on one of my favorite purse snacks, the olives, the handful of olives. Got 8 of those, I think. And I was excited to try these, the marinated artichokes on the go. They didn't have any like canola oil or anything, so that was good. Levi picked out a yogurt to try. I got one thing of unsalted Kerrygold butter. I usually get the salted Kerrygold butter at Costco, but since I'm using it in my coffee now, I want to experiment with the unsalted, see which one I like better. My husband loves this Hatch Valley salsa, so I grabbed a couple more of those to stock up on. And then over here, I got one thing of the onion salt. I love this onion salt with all different kinds of onions in there. It's so good. And a pack of organic seaweed for Renee. She will be so excited. And some hot pico de gallo for my husband. And a big 5-pound bag of mandarin oranges for Levi. The total that I spent, only $59.68. I cannot believe that, but I'll show you all the prices here real quick if anyone is curious about price. Thanks so much for going shopping with us today. Hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you in another video. I got something for you.
What?
I got something that I know you like.
Thank you. I love seaweed so much.
You're welcome. I saw it, and I knew you would love it.